Today we are looking the most important topic of in software engineering, which is a CDN, as a content delivery network. Content delivery network. This video is explain how to make your website which is load instantly regardless of the where the user lives. At it create the architecture, AWS architecture, which is S3 bucket plus CloudFront. How we will looking in video. The problem in the physics problem, even if the fiber optics are the limited of the speed of light, we all of us know that the data flows according to on the fiber optics, and the fiber optics speed is equal to the speed of light. So we can't changes on this speed. If our server is on the New York, hosted on the New York, and user in the Mumbai, here is user whose location is Mumbai. When the user requests to the server as a rollout, it means user to server and server to user. The latency between this request, it is about 250 millisecond. 250 millisecond. It is too fast. But if your site has the 50 images, that's add up to seconds of waiting. If this on the server there are 50 images, there are lots of images, and our user request to server, give me 50 images. As a rollout, it takes actually from user to server and server to user, it takes more amount of time, which is not a fast service. But you can't change the speed of light, so you have to cheat. You have to move the data closer to the user. If the data, our user which is present on the Mumbai, if the data present nearby distance to the Mumbai, it is possible to latency of the rollout will be fast. Latency of this rollout will be fast. Next, enter the CDN, content delivery network. Instead of a one central server, the origin, imagine thousands of the small server scattered over the world, the edge location. Imagine that one is a central server, and here lots of user, like 1 lakh or 10,000 or any amount of the user request to the same server. Or the same location server which is hosted on the New York, and our one of the user is from Mumbai, one of the user is from Kolkata, another is from Pune, Nagpur, like that stuff. But the latency for the request, every user will be different. So what is the solution for this? If this central server scattered around the different locations, it means the server, one of the server 1 which is on the Mumbai, another server 2 on Kolkata, another is on Pune. So it is possible to give this user give the request to the user at a low latency. So we can, it is possible because of the content delivery network. We will show that. Think of like the Amazon delivery. Here is one of the example how it actually defined the. Think of like the Amazon delivery. The origin and the warehouse. It means the origin. There are two concepts here. The origin. Here is a warehouse, and another is the edge. The edge, which is a local hub. Okay. This is origin is a basically main our S3 bucket. In the USA, it has everything. And edge local hub. This is a small server in Mumbai, right next to your user. We actually talk about the central server, which will be scattered around the different locations like Mumbai, Pune, like similar of that. Here is a warehouse, which is a S3 bucket, S3 bucket, and and this S3 bucket is scattered around the different location like on the Mumbai. When this Mumbai user requests to this server, so it is possible to the access of these 50 images within a second, within a millisecond. So now here is the what happened when user A Mumbai asked for the logo.png. What actually happened? Actually, what happened? Here is a Mumbai user request to logo.png. The request they ask for the Mumbai edge server. The cache miss, the Mumbai server checks its pocket. I don't have that. The Mumbai server files to the USA origin, grab the image and files back. This is a slow process. The magic, the Mumbai server saves a copy. Now user B in the Mumbai asks for the logo.png, cache hit. The Mumbai server says I have the right here. It delivers it instantly, zero lag, no trip to the USA. Example, there are the two user 1 and user 2. User 1 request to the Mumbai server. What you can do? Basically request to the Mumbai server. Give me the logo.png, but Mumbai server hasn't this logo.png. So Mumbai server request online don't it fetch the logo.png from, because he has the administrative access, logo.png from New York server. And then after that New York server give the logo.png to Mumbai server. But when user 2 ask the same request to the Mumbai server, here are the already stored cache on the Mumbai server. So Mumbai server don't require to fetch the similar logo.png from the New York server. It is a repetitive task. So Mumbai server check their cache. If the image already present on the cache, the cache will be providing to the user 2. Here is a response to user 2 with the low latency low latency than user 1. It is the most important advantage of this content delivery network. And what is the hardest part and the developer reality? This is a great until you update the logo. This is a great until you update the logo. You change the file in the USA, but the server in the Mumbai is still holding the old one. This is called the stale data. And what is actually called this logo dot png already stored on the Mumbai server or the cache, it is called the stale data. We will change the color to this. It is called the stale data. What is stale data? Okay, we actually understand the what is the stale data. Next, as an engineer, you must master the cache invalidation. You have to explicitly tell the content delivery network burn the old copies and fetch the new one. In AWS, this service called the CloudFront. It sites in the front of your S3 bucket and handles all of this automatically.